Hey everyone, it's Chris for Vienna Care. Today I'm going to show you how to use Curenex, which is a product that you can use a multitude of ways. So Curenex comes in a box like this, comes with 5 ampules, and then here's a little applicator top that you can use on the top of each one of these ampules. Curenex is very unique because it contains a bunch of different beneficial ingredients for your skin. Most importantly, this is a PDRN type of product. PDRN essentially helps aid in skin regeneration. It helps to repair your skin cells, and it really helps to stimulate the production of new skin cells, and that's going to result in a strengthened, more resilient skin, and it's going to give it a more rejuvenated appearance to your skin. So aside from PDRN being inclusive in this product, this contains, I want to say, at least 15 or more polypeptides, which are great for helping with the production of collagen synthesis within the skin. That's going to help create new skin cells, plump up your skin. So we want to have as much collagen stimulation and synthesis as possible. Aside from the polypeptides and the PDRN, you also are going to get a bunch of hyaluronic acid, which is going to be great for skin hydration, and it's also going to help plump up the skin. And aside from that, you're also going to get glutathione. Glutathione is a great inclusive ingredient in this product, and that's going to add a skin brightening effect. You're going to start to see that you're going to have less brown spots, hyperpigmentation, and things like that. The treatment protocol is going to be different depending on your method of delivery. So if you are using this product with microneedling, your treatment protocol is going to be approximately 3 treatments spaced 1 week apart. So that's 1 treatment every single week for the next 3 weeks. And then after that, you would do a follow-up treatment every 2 months or so. So you have 5 vials, so it's going to give you 1 round of treatment, and then it's going to give you some follow-up boosters, essentially. If you're using an injection method using an easy injector, if you're using a traditional injection technique, then you are going to space your treatments out 1 to 2 weeks apart. So essentially, you'll be injecting your skin with the product, waiting 1 to 2 weeks, and then you'll do another treatment, wait 1 to 2 weeks, and then do a 3rd treatment. So let's jump right in to the unboxing. As we said, you have 5 different vials, and then you have your applicator on top. So you just flip this over. There's a metal ring. Take that off, and then you can just take this gray top off. And then you can just put your applicator right on top. And this is what your bottle looks like. Prior to using, you're going to give your ampule a little shake, and you'll see that this is just a very viscous liquid. It's almost like water, but it is a little bit thicker than water. So we're just disinfecting our skin with some 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. Put on some gloves, give this a little shake. I'm gonna apply a small amount of product to my skin to let my skin absorb that, and that's gonna sit on my skin for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so that's gonna sit for about 3 to 5 minutes so my skin can absorb it. And then after that, I can proceed with my needling, and then I will use the rest of the solution as I'm needling each area. I'm gonna be using my Dr. Pen in a 36 pin needle cartridge. I will insert it, and then I will twist to make sure it's nice and tight. And then I will set my depth at a 0.25. And the reason why I'm choosing 0.25 for this treatment is because this is a light microneedling session for me, and I don't need to do anything really necessarily deeper than that, especially when I'm going to be doing this every single week for the next 3 weeks. It's been about 4 minutes, so now we can go ahead and get started. So just as a reminder, I have this on a 0.25 setting because it doesn't need to be deep. I'm going to apply a little bit more solution. I'm just going to start on my forehead, and then I'll do different areas. Now I'm just going to be doing things in sections. All right, and then there you have that section. So there's just slight arrhythmia, and that's what you want to see. And now we'll move on to our next area. Now I'm going to be doing my cheek area, but I'm not going to be doing 0.25 underneath my eye area. The skin is a lot thinner there, so I'm going to use an even more shallow depth, and I'm probably just going to do a 0.15 under my eye area. But for now, we're going to leave it on the 0.25 for my cheek area. So I'm just kind of going right up to my cheekbone, and I'm not going past this orbital area. Alright, so now I'm going to switch my depth to about a 0.15, and essentially it's going to be kind of in between what 0 and 0.25 will be. So I'm going to do under my eye area. Just doing one final pass in circular motions. Very light, slight arrhythmia, which again is what you want to see. Now, typically the redness will subside with about, 24 hours or less. For me, in particularly, I know my redness will subside in less than 24 hours. Yeah, that's just one way that you could use Curenex and incorporate that into your skincare protocol or skincare routine. Now, if you would love to see the entire video of this procedure, you could head over to my channel at youtube.com/Christopher McGrady. That's all I got for you today on how to do this treatment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe. And as always, you can see more content like this over on my channel, or stay tuned to Vienna Care and see what other kind of exciting content that we have coming up next. Until next time, I hope you guys stay healthy and be well. Bye!